Direct speech examples. Mary said, "I need some help." He said, "I will be at the party." They said, "We love your idea." She said, "I need a new phone." Sarah said, "I'm going to the store." He said, "I'll call you later." They said, "We'll help you move." They said, "We had a great time." She said, "I'm not feeling well." She said, "I can't find my keys." She said, "I can't believe I won." He said, "I'm starting a new job." Sarah said, "I'll bring my guitar." She said, "I'll see you on Friday." He said, "I don't like spicy food." He said, "I'm going on a vacation." He said, "I can't thank you enough." She said, "I can't wait to see you." He said, "I'm not a morning person." John said, "I'll bring some snacks." He said, "I'll be there in a minute." Mary said, "I'm feeling happy today." They said, "We'll be at the concert." They said, "We're going to a concert." They said, "We're hosting a barbecue." They said, "We'll always support you." Mary said, "I'm moving to a new city." They said, "We'll be friends forever." She said, "I'll meet you at the cafe." They said, "We are going to the beach." She said, "I want to travel the world." She said, "I'll be studying all night." She said, "I'll never forget this day." She said, "I'll cherish these memories." He said, "I'm going to a job interview." Mary said, "I'm going to buy a new car." Mary said, "I've never seen that before." Sarah said, "I'm taking a cooking class." John said, "I'm going to propose to her." They said, "We'll make a delicious cake." They said, "We are planning a road trip." He said, "I'm not a fan of horror movies." They said, "We watched a fantastic movie." He said, "I'm going to a basketball game." He said, "I can't make it to the meeting." She said, "I'm so grateful for your help." Mary said, "I have to finish this report." John said, "I have to study for the exam." He said, "I want to learn a new language." John said, "I'm so excited about the trip." He said, "I'll pick you up from the airport." They said, "We finished the project on time." They said, "We're going to celebrate tonight." He said, "I'm looking forward to the weekend." Sarah said, "I'm going to graduate next month."